Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. The viewers in front of me, Huion U1060 device, and now I'm gonna show you how to set up the shortcuts on this device. So firstly, you need to install the driver for this device. Then you need to open the Windows, search, and find here Huion tablet application. And then here click press key, and here we have the keys on our tablet, and we just need to set the functions for these buttons. For example, I have F5, but I want to use not the F5 but so click backspace, click on this button, on the cross button to remove the setup, and click the button you want to use. For example, I want to use F11. Cool. So click F11, and F11 is will work when you will click on this button. So cool. Now, as you can see, this is the F11, and now, for example, let's try to check it. I'm clicking on the button on the tablet, and yes, it works like an F11. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.